everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is 2 Christmas cakes you can make quickly and easily, and one is just 2 ingredients and the other one is 3. It's so easy. You're just going to need some cake mixes, and of course my mom makes them allergy friendly, so you're really going to love these. One is a 2 ingredient pumpkin cake and the other is an apple dump cake, and they are both from allrecipes.com. So we'll put links to the original recipes in the description box below. Merry Christmas, everyone! Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, so Merry Christmas, everybody. This is a dessert that I found on allrecipes.com, and it's easy. It is a 2 ingredient pumpkin cake. So, and we're making it as keto friendly as possible. So we're using a 15-ounce can of pumpkin, pure pumpkin. There's nothing else but pumpkin in this. And then we're using the Namaste gluten-free spice cake mix, and you need 15 1/4 ounces. So what you would find in one box, this box is 2 cakes, so I had to measure out 2 cups. And then you want to grease a 9x13 baking dish. I use some butter here to grease this one. Turn your oven to 350. Mine is preheating. And then you just simply mix the pumpkin and the cake mix together. And then you're gonna evenly distribute it into this pan. All right, I've spread it into the 9x13 greased baking dish, and I'm preheating the oven to 350. I'm gonna put it in there for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out. It's done. It's been 30 minutes, and I put a knife in the middle and pulled it out, and it came out clear. This is it. So we are good to go. If you want to, I'm gonna make a keto-friendly cream cheese icing. You can do that, or you can buy some at the store, cream cheese frosting, or nothing at all. Just eat it like that. It's up to you. Anyway, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. Enjoy. So we're making an apple dump cake, and this is real easy, and we're making it gluten-free and as keto-friendly as possible. So we have 2 cans of 21-ounce apple pie filling. No sugar added, and it uses a non-aspartame sweetener. And then we have Pillsbury's gluten-free classic yellow cake mix. And so we pour the pie filling in first, and then we put the cake mix on top, sprinkled on top, and then you want 1/2 cup of melted butter. So we're using Kerrygold unsalted, and you pour this on top. And then you're gonna put it in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes and then let it set for 15 after you take it out. So that's what we're gonna do now. All right, there it is. It's done. 40 minutes, then you let it set for 15.